Hi! Today we will give you a tutorial on accepting a job offer for the first time on the ResQ TRX Services app. Open the ResQ TRX Services app. Log into your account. You will be prompted to give location permission. Tap on OK. On the next window, tap on Allow only while using the app. Tap on Let's set the permission. On the settings, tap on App Permission. Tap on Location. Select Allow all the time. Go back to the app home screen and you can tap on View Available Tickets on the home screen. Nearby support job offers will start showing up. Tap on Submit Offer button for the offer you want to accept. Provide the required fields carefully. Tap on Submit after providing the required info. Your offer will be submitted and will be visible for the driver to accept it. Once the offer is accepted, you will be provided with location tracking of the driver and vice versa. Thanks for watching the video.